How to make money while you sleep. Hey guys, my name is Scott Anderson with Star Funnels. Today I'm going to share with you how I made over $400 while in my sleep. Okay, so the real question is, how did I really make money while in my sleep? Guys, it really was with two simple things: affiliate marketing and YouTube. So you may ask the question, what is affiliate marketing? It is referring someone else's product in exchange for a commission. You don't have to do customer service. You don't even have to have your own product. Essentially, you find someone else's product, just refer somebody else, and if they buy that, then you get a commission. All right, you guys, so I want to provide proof before I continue on with the video to let you know that I really have made $400. So here is this page, okay? It's buildapreneur.clickfunnels.com/affiliate. So this is not my earnings from ClickFunnels. It is earnings from Buildapreneur. That is the creator of a course called, down here, Affiliate Secrets, okay? So I promoted Affiliate Secrets as an affiliate and I got paid out $448.50 in the last 30 days right here. This screenshot was taken today, which is May 27, 2019. As you can see, when I scroll over, things pop up. So this is the real site. All right, you guys, before I go into showing you the framework, the strategy of how I was able to make that $400, I want to explain why I titled the video, How to Make Money While in Your Sleep, okay? I say while in your sleep because I did this specific stuff like 4 months ago. I did this framework 4 months ago, and the day that I was realized that I made the $400, I was kind of having like a down day. I think it was like I don't know, mid-May. Okay, this was like 2 weeks ago, and I decided to go on this Buildapreneur backend, and sure enough, I had an orange bar right here. It was on May 5th, and it showed that I had that $400. I was like, what the heck? How did that happen? So then sure enough, I looked into it and I found out that it was because I did a YouTube video 4 months ago. All right. So let me show you, once again, my process. So, back up even longer than 4 months ago. This is about a year longer ago. I, have been following this guy named Spencer Mika, and I bought his course. So this is what his course looks like. This is his page, how he sells his course. So you can see a lot of people have had a lot of success. He gives, there's this testimonial video right here of a guy named James Hurst. He explains that he's been successful promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate. And overall, Spencer teaches about affiliate marketing. And he has this amazing course. So sure enough, I bought this course. He teaches about how to find hot buyers and to do traffic and so much more, okay? This course is very valuable. So I was on this page and I bought it. I think the course now is about $900, yeah. And so I bought the course, and this is what the course looks like. So he has two sections within his course: Affiliate Secrets 2.0 and then Affiliate Secrets 2.0 Module 3, which is the traffic edition. So if you click on this, you can see here that Spencer teaches all about affiliate marketing, which is the niche and thing that I wanted to do, right? I want to be an affiliate marketer where I can work from my laptop and be able to refer someone else's product and get paid. So I learned so much stuff. I went through each of these modules, and I still have modules I need to go through. You know, overview, like what is affiliate marketing, how it works, what's the long game of this? It's not just a get rich quick thing. Then of course the traffic is all in that other module, which traffic is really how to present your link online and share it with so many people to then get views and then get clicks and then get a commission. Okay. So once again, like, this course is amazing. Okay. So I went through this course. This is the module 3, and he has a whole thing on YouTube. As you can see, I've watched quite a bit. He gives an overview, does different video types. He teaches the algorithm of YouTube, guys, and YouTube is Google, and they're owned by each other. And he teaches all the things, what you need to do. This is another killer thing right here, is keyword research. So he teaches how to rank specifically in YouTube to be successful. Talks about video creation, how to do it, ScreenFlow. He teaches what ScreenFlow is. So I'm creating this video right now using the program called ScreenFlow. It's awesome for Mac. It's about $100. I would highly suggest it. It puts a little video on the bottom here, and then your screen records it at the same time. So guys, what I did is I went through this course, okay? That was step one, which is a lot of things in between. I'm not going to lie. Like, I went through a lot of content, but I learned a lot. After that, I implemented and I created this video right here. It's this best affiliate marketing course 2019 plus bonus. Okay. So I'm going to do it. This is an incognito window, right? Let's get out of this and I'm going to search. Let's do affiliate mark. I just want to show you guys affiliate marketing course. So here's the results for affiliate marketing course. You don't see my video on there. But if you add 2019 right there, then I show up number 4. Now, if you scroll back and we just do best affiliate marketing course, I show up number 3 on there. And then I also show up number 4 on another video that I did that I have 8,000 views on. So I did this video. I created content. So what I did is I did some keyword research. I shot the video and then I edited it in ScreenFlow and then uploaded it to YouTube. 4 months later, someone clicked on this link right here and then cha-ching, I made a commission. So this for me may seem like pathetic to some affiliate marketers. To others that are just getting started, you can see that that would be an awesome payday. For me, it was a huge win. It is a huge win for me. And I technically still have not been paid out yet. It'll be June 5th that I get paid, and I will do another video on here to let you guys know that I actually got paid. So that is the main structure of how I was able to make $448.50 while in my sleep. How did I do it? Once again, affiliate marketing using the power of YouTube. I put my link right at the top there. Someone clicked on it and I got paid. So my suggestion to all of you is to learn affiliate marketing. And you can literally do the exact same thing that I just did. You can go buy this course. I will get a commission, okay? I'm an affiliate for Affiliate Secrets 2.0 that Spencer Meekum has created. And it is stellar. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, go there, buy it from my link, and I will provide value if you do. Like, reach out to me, email me, comment on the YouTube, say that you, or comment on this video, or this video, and say that you bought this course, and I will help you, guide you, coach you, that sort of thing. And then, guys, you can then create your own videos promoting either this product or other products, and you will get paid as well. All right, you guys, thank you for watching this video. Please comment below and like the video if you guys found this video valuable. And let me know if you have any questions. If you do, comment below. Also, the link to Affiliate Secrets 2.0 is down below. It's the same program that I promoted that helped me get that hefty commission. So guys, have an awesome day. If you like this video and want to see more like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tip that bell notification if you'd like to be notified when I release that video. So guys, have an awesome day and I will see you in the next video.